Guys, welcome back to another video. I still call it video, old school. Tonight is not just the usual van life. It is Manchester United against Newcastle United in the Caracaka Cup. Oh, let's get ready. So parked at Tesco, it's 10 quid for the night. Match day's price. United absolute crap lately. So all I can do is pray. Since I've started going to games in the last couple of years, not been to a losing game yet. Is tonight the first one? Let's see how we get on, guys. Shirts on, chocolate is ordered. We just had a big fat KFC as well, so I might have the shits in the ground. Thought I wasn't getting in then, guys. Buying tickets online is always a bit dodgy, isn't it? Well guys, 75 minutes on the clock, decided to leave. Used to be the Theatre of Dreams, now it seems like the Theatre of Nightmares. I'm not getting stuck in traffic, hopefully. I bet Sir Bobby's looking down thinking, what the flick? First game I've seen that we've lost in a couple of years, to be honest. Garnacho was shit. Harry Maguire was probably the best player. Anyway, thanks for watching this disappointing vlog. Oh, and guys, I got told off for using my camera, filming, by a steward. She turned round and she said, if it's not on its tripod, you can use it. Is that about so I can hold it and film, or if I stick it on a 3-inch, 4-inch stick, can't use it? The stewards also took about 5 minutes and nearly removed 3 people because they kept one of the footballs. Football is not what it used to be. They're taking all the enjoyment out of the game. You have to sit there now. Can't take your drinks in the stadium. Can't stand up. Can't film.
Morning guys. Today is end of November, not far away from our next adventure. Today is an Amazon day, and after that tonight we're meeting up with Kenny and Vivivan and yeah, take along for the Amazon, and then we'll see what this place is like we're staying at tonight. Tired. This Amazon is shit, man. If you're a good driver like me, they give you the shit runs.
Well, that's breakfast, Dad. Noodles. Tonight Kenny's cooking our tea. Anyway, walking to pick my van up now. Looking forward to this last shift of the week, even though we only have one day off. How satisfied experience? I'm dissatisfied because the way they park the vans is crap. Every morning, same thing. Done, and sorry, no parcels ready, so I can't even see yet what I've got. Okay guys, we have 143 stops, 217 locations. That means there's a lot of multi-stops. Yeah, it's a bit strange. 51, so at 51 places we've got more than one house or business. Oh, we're actually in one of my runs, which I do not mind actually. Thankfully, it's a run I know. It's a bit far away than the other runs that I've been on recently, but I know what this run is. I know where the toilets are. I know it. So hopefully it won't be too late of a finish. And as you can probably see, I'm looking a bit older today, maybe. Tonight or tomorrow, tonight, it's all coming off. But I've been working 6 days a week for 9 weeks now, just over 9 weeks. I'm not seeing anybody. I'm not seeing anybody, am I? It's not as if I'm dating, so I've had an easy no shaving. But the only problem with no shaving is I can't put the cream on because I suffer quite bad from skin condition and stuff. So tonight I can whack it all off, slap a load of cream on, and then get into holiday mode, because we have got 20 days left, 21 days left, and then we go on our next adventure. Anyway, back to Amazon. We just had the Black Friday sale, so yeah, today is the 21st of November, so we've got tomorrow off, and then I've only got 15 more days in Amazon, and then we're off on the jollies. So yeah, so we're in the yard now. We're going to be going around to loading in a minute. Not going to be able to film much loading, I don't think, because I'm in a hire van and I can't walk through to the back and use the camera. So anyway, one of the security guards is on his way. Guys, I'm going to have to apologise. This is now not an Amazon day in the life, because the run was that bad I didn't end up filming it. So we've just finished work now. It's 6:20. I'm going to drop off the works van and get in my van. Hopefully it starts in half an hour. But we're going to go to this Pheasant's Wood fishery, it's called. So yeah, you're going to see a bit of that tonight, and today we meet up with Vivi van. Anyway, let's box this van off in here. Let's get rid of it for 36 hours. Ah, gutted. I've got one more job to do, which is fill this up with AdBlue, because it's saying there's only 10 miles left on it. So yeah. Guys, hello again. I don't even know what I said last time. What did I say last time? It's still the same day anyway. Yeah, change of plans, because my mate Kenny at Vivi van, he got up to this car park, he got up to this fishery place before us, and sorry, I'm just stirring pasta. Yeah, so he got up there about 4 or 5 o'clock, sent us pictures, said it was all right. He said car park was a bit scruffy, but then, even though there's a bar on there and everything, he said some guy came around, gave him 5 minutes to pack up his stuff and get out, otherwise he's locking the gates. Or he could have stayed in there, but he's locking the gates. Well, we wasn't there then, we were still another hour away or more. So Kenny's jumped ship. I'm going to message the place and say, what are you going on? I've messaged you a couple of days ago asking if everything was alright. So it sounds like there was nobody in the bar or the restaurant or something. And they've just said we're locking up, which has not helped us out. So Kenny, gutted. He's done 80-mile round trip for nothing. So we've just come down to St Helens, parking up locally. I've got the pasta cooking. So we're just going to have a pasta. Kenny was supposed to be cooking us some toasties, making us some toasties. I don't think you call that cooking, but yeah, everything's just gone to shit. It's just gone. So I didn't film the Amazon, and we didn't go on a night out adventure thing. And tomorrow we're supposed to be spending all day there. Kenny, really, if he'd have left and just gone outside, maybe we could have gone back in at 9 o'clock for breakfast and had the day there, but he didn't want to stay because he was getting locked in on his own. And yeah, it's quite a remote type of place. So yeah, this is just an update on normal shit now then. So we're going to have pasta tonight. We've got a bit of chocolate and I've got a bit of beer. Tomorrow we will, I think we're going to go for a Toby Carvery because we're not going to get the breakfast at the fishery. So yeah, that's that. Let's get the dinner done. Morning guys, it's the next day. Gonna make myself a second brew. So yesterday we had all that crap and then I was eating tea and the van was dead. So one of my mates, Robbo, come up this morning. Van started no problem off his car. Only got a little car. And I've ran the van for half an hour. I think when I turned it on and off at one time, I turned it on and the voltage went from 12.5 to 12.3, 2, and the alternator wasn't kicking in. So I tapped the accelerator and then its alternator started and it's charged. So I've drove about 2-mile round trip up and down the Lancs. We're on 12.9 volts now, which is way above normal. I've also connected the Leisure acid battery. That's charged enough to give us a bit of power on the lights inside. So everything seems alright now. I think the alternator just wasn't kicked in yesterday and then that's just killed it. So I'm just going to keep my eye on it all the time. Everything. We've only got 3 weeks left here. So yeah, yesterday disaster. No Amazon filming, no fishery lakes night over. Today no breakfast. There was hoping for a nice breakfast. And then a dead battery. So yeah, disastrous 24 hours really, or 12 hours. I've hooked up my lithium battery, which was fully charged, to the laptop. I bought a new battery, so hopefully I'm gonna jump in my bed and do some editing. My badge is on. It's time for Amazon. It is my last shift of 2023 in the wonderful Amazon. Let's go. Time to make a brew.